Hi, boys and girls. Today is Monday, May 4th. And if you are a Star Wars fan, may the 4th be with you. Let's get started. We're going to start with subtraction today. But first, remember the fluency I like to have you do. Get ready to shout out the answers. I'm going to take you to the next slide. You're going to start with subtraction. Right here is your first fact. Get ready to shout out the answers in a minute. On your mark, get set, begin. Good job, boys and girls. Stop, count up how many problems you were able to answer. And then tomorrow you can challenge yourself to see how many you can answer tomorrow. We're going to move on with addition the same way. Here's the addition slide. Here's your first problem. On your mark, get set, add. Good job. Okay, stop. How many problems were you able to add your facts? And then tomorrow, challenge yourself to see if you can get more facts tomorrow than you did today. Today's target skill is I can subtract numbers less than 1,000 and then use addition to check the answer. So get your paper and pencil ready, boys and girls. You are going to rewrite the problem in vertical form so we can subtract it and check our answer together. So today we're going to work on subtraction. So everybody needs to write down 138 take away 19, and that is going to be written in vertical form. And just like addition, we are going to start in the ones place. 8 take away 9. Well, wait a minute, more on the floor. We go next door and we regroup. So we take the 10 ones over, we have 18, and now in the tens, the 3 goes down to 2. We only have 2 tens now. 18 take away 9. That's right, it is 9. 2 take away 1 equals 1, and 1 take away 0 equals 0. Now, when we have a fact family and we can add the two numbers together to get the answer, but then we can also take the sum and we can subtract one of our add-ins to find the other answer. So we are going to take 119 and 19 and we're going to add them together to see if we can come back with 138 to check our answer. So that's what we're going to do right over to the side. 119 plus 19, add it together to see if we come back up with 138. 9 plus 9 equals, that's right, 18. 3 in a row, 3, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. That is correct. Now let's move on to question 2. So boys and girls, I need you to write down on your paper, question 2, 863, take away 170. Write it down in vertical form and see if you can get started. Remember, start at the ones. So what is 3 take away 0? That is correct, it is 3. Can we subtract 6 take away 7? Is there more on the floor? That's right, we go next door and we regroup. So 6 becomes 16, 800s go down to 7. Now we can finish our subtraction. 16 take away 7 equals 9, and 7 take away 1 equals 6. Now, what two numbers are we going to add together to see if we come back up with 863 to see that our answer is correct? Yes, 693 plus 170. And let's add and see if that 3 plus 0 equals 3. 9 plus 7. That's right, it is 16, and we have to carry, regroup, 6, 7, 8. Did we come back up with 863? Yes, you did. Good job. Give yourselves a star. Now let's move on to number 3. So for problem 3, you need to rewrite 445, take away 53. So why don't all of you do that right now and go ahead and get started. And when you get your answer, go ahead and check to make sure that you are correct. Five take away 3, can we do that? Yes, we can. And the answer is, yep, 2. 4 take away 5. Can we take 5 from 4? No, we cannot. So we have to regroup. 4 becomes 14, and then the 4 goes down to 3. Now 14 take away 5, we have enough. That is correct. It's 9, and 3 take away 0 is 3. Now let's add. 392 plus, that's right, 53. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 9 plus 5, yep, 14. Regroup, 3, 4. Did we end back up with our answer? We did. That we started with 445. Very good, boys and girls. Now this slide is for the children that are not able to access Nearpod. Please pause the video, copy the problems down, write them in vertical form, subtract each one, and then you're going to add to check your answer. And then send your work to your teacher, or my students send them through Dojo or our school email. And here are the teacher email addresses, but send them through Dojo if you need to, and we enjoy hearing from you. Now this slide shows all of your work. This is for the children that can go through Nearpod. These are the same problems that was on the slide 2 slides ago. So when you come back through Nearpod, you're going to subtract and use addition to check your answer. So boys and girls, let's look at this problem. We have a fruit seller, and it is a word problem. So what is the first thing we are going to do? That's right, you're going to read it. So let's read it together. A fruit seller buys a carton of 90 apples. Finding that 18 of them are rotten, he throws them away. He sells 22 of the ones that are left on Monday. Now, how many apples does he have left to sell? So we read the problem. Now, boys and girls, we need to draw a picture. That is where the D comes in. So we have the fruit seller, and we'll draw a tape diagram to represent his apples. How many apples did he have all together in that box? That's right, he had 90. But then some were rotten. So we'll label that rotten. How many were rotten, boys and girls? Go back to the problem. That's correct, 18. And then he sold some apples. How many did he sell? 22. How many does he have left? And that is our question. That is what we need to solve. So boys and girls, what you need to do is, we have a total, we need to do what operation to find the correct answer? That's right, you need to subtract. So you're going to need to set it up because this is on Nearpod. So when you go through the slide, you will solve the subtraction. And the children that are not able to go through Nearpod, you can pause the video and you can go ahead and write down your work and send it to your teacher. So we have the total, so it's going to be 90, take away 18. Then you're going to find this answer. You're going to take away 22. And then tell us how many apples are left. So you boys and girls can finish solving that on your own. And yes, it's very important to practice each day your math. So go on to Math Seeds. Here is the math website. And let us know how you're feeling because we started subtraction today. And you're using addition to check your answers. So let us know how you're feeling. And you boys and girls are doing an amazing job. Keep working hard. I love seeing all your hard work. Bye-bye.